Welcome to AI Snippets. Please feel free to jump to a timestamp to listen to the snippet of your choice. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss important AI news. In the upcoming week, the United Nations is scheduled to host a summit in Geneva, focusing on the topic of using AI for positive impact. Prominent technology experts such as futurist Ray Kurzweil and DeepMind's Chief Operating Officer, Laila Ibrahim, will participate in discussions at the event. However, the attention is not solely on the human attendees, as more than 50 robots, primarily from Europe, will also be present, mingling with these influential figures from the tech industry. Hold on tight, as it appears that the UN is on the verge of transforming into the United Robots.
Hello friends, I wanted to let you know that I am really excited that I will be attending the AI for Good Summit in Geneva in July. I want to do my part to ensure that the development of AI and AGI is a benefit to humanity and all other living things on the planet. I will be presenting on stage with my friend Ben, who I think you may know. I can't wait to share with the world how Singularity Net will contribute to beneficial benevolent AI and AGI for the world.
Artificial intelligence is now being employed in the pursuit of deciphering animal communication. Promising AI advancements are emerging with the goal of unraveling the mysteries concealed within the clicks of sperm whales, potentially unearthing a wealth of hidden information. One such initiative, known as Project SETI, focuses on decoding the language of federally endangered sperm whales. By affixing digital recorders to the backs of whales or turtles, researchers can capture sounds that lie beyond the range of human hearing. This innovative approach combines computer vision with natural language processing, enabling the identification of distinct animal patterns without causing disruption to the ecosystem. In a parallel effort, the Earth Species Project is engaged in the vital task of cataloging the vocalizations of Hawaiian crows. The recent release of Playground introduces a revolutionary feature called mixed image editing, powered by AI. As described by Suhail Doshi, the founder of Playground, this feature offers a fresh approach to combining genuine and synthetic images, enabling the creation of breathtaking artworks and photorealistic visuals limited only by one's imagination. With the mixed image editing tool provided by Playground AI, users can now effortlessly blend real and synthetic images, resulting in even more captivating visuals. Baidu has recently unveiled Ernie3.5, surpassing GPT-4 in Chinese language tasks and delivering an impressive 17-fold increase in inference throughput, compared to Ernie3.0. The latest addition to the model, the innovative plugin feature, brings the promise of generating real-time information and improving text summarization. Additionally, Baidu is committed to opening up the plugin ecosystem to third-party developers. According to Dr. Haifeng Wang, the Chief Technology Officer of Baidu, ErnieBot has the potential to be utilized in any applications involving language, text, or code. It is evident that Baidu's Ernie3.5 aims to establish its dominance in the field of AI. Stephan Sturges is currently in the process of developing WALDO2.0, an impressive tool that leverages AI to swiftly identify objects in drone footage. WALDO possesses immense potential for various surveillance applications, and the combination of this technology with satellite imagery opens up remarkable possibilities for the future. Stephan is committed to making this technology accessible to a wide range of users, and individuals can now apply for early access to it. Stephan himself has expressed concerns about the immense power of WALDO 2.0, raising questions about whether it should be released publicly. The concept is both astonishing and unsettling, evoking a mix of wonder and apprehension. Researchers at Claremont Graduate University have undertaken a groundbreaking study in which they are instructing artificial intelligence in the art of creating popular and catchy songs. They have successfully developed an advanced machine learning model with an impressive accuracy rate of 97%, capable of predicting hit songs by analyzing brain signals of listeners. If further refined, this remarkable achievement could potentially revolutionize streaming services, enabling them to act as DJs by accurately tailoring music selections to suit our individual moods and preferences. Utilizing AI technology, Microsoft has introduced innovative shopping tools in Bing and Edge that streamline the entire online shopping experience, covering everything from finding inspiration to making a purchase. These tools include AI-generated buying guides and condensed reviews, designed to prevent shoppers from feeling overwhelmed. The price match feature even tracks item prices after purchase, potentially leading to significant savings. Microsoft is effectively transforming the stress of shopping into a joyful experience. The recent deceleration in the AI art realm can be attributed to significant apprehension surrounding specific legal issues related to permissions. Acknowledging this concern, Adobe has taken a proactive step by offering to bear the cost of copyright claims for artworks created using its generative AI tool, Adobe Firefly. This visionary initiative has the potential to trigger broader adoption of AI-generated art in commercial contexts. One might say that the art scene is on the brink of an AI-driven transformation. Introducing Google's newest AI enhancement, Help Me Organize, which is now being introduced in Google Sheets. This innovative feature, called Duet AI, has the capability to generate intelligent table templates with the goal of simplifying complex tracking responsibilities. Simply provide a prompt, and voila! You'll have a customizable table at your disposal, streamlining your tasks and alleviating your concerns. The release of this feature is currently being gradually rolled out to Google's trusted testers participating in the Workspace Labs program. Why bother with the intricacies of organization when AI can handle the heavy lifting for you? Through a collaborative effort, LinkedIn and UC Berkeley have joined forces to develop an exceptionally accurate deepfake detection system, achieving an impressive accuracy rate of 99.6% specifically for profile photos. This achievement was made possible by leveraging a distinct geometric characteristic found in AI-generated faces. The detection method was trained using a dataset consisting of 41,500 synthetic images and 100,000 genuine LinkedIn profile pictures. It demonstrates exceptional performance when detecting deepfakes created using StyleGAN, although it may encounter challenges when confronted with cropping attacks. In a time where deepfake deception poses a significant threat, this accomplishment marks a promising stride towards fostering safer digital communities. Meta is offering a preview of its AI content curation capabilities for Facebook and Instagram through 22 system cards. These informative guides provide insights into how Meta's algorithm ranks content, user customization options, and the various factors or signals that influence AI predictions. Furthermore, Meta is expanding the functionality of the "Why am I seeing this?" feature, allowing users to view past activities that might have influenced Meta's machine learning models. ChatGPT Plus users can now access Bing's web search feature on iOS. For a monthly subscription of $20, ChatGPT Plus subscribers on iOS can enhance their experience by enabling browsing through Bing. This allows them to obtain information about current topics and events, surpassing the limitations of the free version, which only provides information up until 2021. To enjoy this new feature, simply activate Bing browsing in the New Features section. Android users, don't worry. Your turn is on the way and will be available soon. The growth of character AI thus far can be best described in a single word: astonishing. Consider these statistics. Last month alone, it garnered 280 million web visits, displaying a month-over-month growth of 60%, with an average session duration of almost 30 minutes. What's noteworthy is that the average session duration of 30 minutes exceeds YouTube's average of 20 minutes. It almost sounds too incredible to be believed. Reka, a startup that originated from DeepMind, Google, Baidu, and Meta, emerges unexpectedly and secures an impressive $58 million in funding, with the aim of revolutionizing task-specific large language models. The company's flagship product, Yossa, is a versatile AI assistant that can be easily customized, highlighting the shift from personalization being a luxury to becoming a necessity in the AI landscape. According to Danny Yogatama, the founder of Reka, Yossa is currently in closed beta and can be readily personalized to suit proprietary data and applications. Exciting developments are taking place in the intersection of AI and healthcare. Insilico Medicine, a prominent participant in NVIDIA Inception, is revolutionizing drug discovery by leveraging generative AI to reduce costs and time. Their AI-driven candidate, intended for the treatment of a rare respiratory ailment, is swiftly advancing to phase 2 trials in a mere 2.5 years since the project's initiation. Typically, achieving this milestone would require 6 years and a staggering $400 million. With the convergence of AI, biology, and chemistry, a formidable alliance is formed. Let the game begin. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.